I am Akash Shah.
Hello, and I'm Neha Pannet.
And we
We
are
are
Shopaholics.
Shopaholics.
You might have seen various customers who love shopping and the others who love spending.
But do you know, behind your every emotions, there is a retailer and marketeer strategy that build your stimulus.
So we are here to give you an insight towards such strategic factors. So let's start with the layout and design. The layout and design of any organized store, malls, hypermarket have been planned in such a way that it influences each customer to pass through each product. It creates an atmosphere of impulse buying and reminding the customer's needs, and thus it directly increases the company's sales and profitability.
The Starbucks table are designed as small and round in shape, which creates an atmosphere specially so that the customers would feel less alone and can enjoy their customized coffee.
Not only this, they are also creating the friendly atmosphere among the customer and employee by putting the misspelled name on the cup. By such a practices, they are making the cup way toward the social media with the captions like any instead of any.
Yankee Candle Store is famous for the scented candles, candle holders, accessories, and dinnerware, which are sold by 1000 of the gift shops nationwide. This store often attracts the people in with the use of arousing the colors and sensation of smells.
The store tops include the fun mix of digital communication that creates a unique experience where customers can easily select the product like an online store and also receive the product fast like an offline store.
The interior design of an Apple store is a very different and unique compared to the other stores. Their layout is a very sleek, looking with the display of the technologies and gadgets that create a very cool and exciting atmosphere.
The Alibaba's fashion AI enabled based screen interface creates a personalized experience for customers by suggesting the items based on what a customer is already trying on.
In Louis Vuitton, the luxurious brand creates an atmosphere of opulence appealing to all of the senses in the retail spaces and sending a message of chicness and exclusively. For example, the elevator in Louis Vuitton Paris store is entirely round and blade and has no single light or sound.
The IKEA virtual reality retail experience allows the users to choose their home layout furnished in the real skin and then get a list of all the items selected with the unique code and the price list.
The book retail store called Barnes and Nobles is situated in United States. This store provides a very calm and warm atmosphere that makes the reading easy and fun of visitors.
Toys R Us, with its combination of color and merchandise, creates a fun atmosphere that captures an audience of all the children and parents. They have dedicated all the efforts in the store provide the learning experience to the children through the play.
Amazon Go Grocery Store is the first grocery store to offer the just walkout shopping. You have to come in, take what you want, and just walk out. You don't have to wait in lines. Just use the Amazon Go application for shopping, as none of the retailers are there cause it is everything handled by the computer vision, deep learning algorithm and sensory fusion.
Zara, the world's largest fashion group having 20,000 branches, are providing the atmosphere of wide collection and fast fashion reach to the customers. If any customer visits the store weekly, then he will not get the same product again because every year it brings the 12,000 trending and fashionable costumes for the customers even faster than any other retailer in the world.
Apart from organized sector, the unorganized retail store also provide the wonderful experience to the customers. Like goods are sold on a credit, allowing the bargaining practices, warranty and replacement, and also the digital systems for the storekeeper billing and the customer's payments.
So this much for today, and thank you guys for your time. If you like it, then don't forget to like and subscribe.